Hi, Chef Marshall O'Brien here. Did you know that most Americans are chronically sleep deprived? And according to the latest research, chronic sleep deprivation greatly increases the likelihood of developing insulin resistance, obesity, and heart disease. I was stunned when I learned this, especially because basically my whole adult life I've been sleep deprived up until about a year and a half ago. While many people are aware that poor food and beverage choices such as high sugary processed foods, too much caffeine and alcohol before bedtime can affect our quality of sleep, a lot of people don't realize that smart food choices can actually help you sleep better so that our bodies can minimize, fight off getting sick and repair themselves. So here's 5 foods that will help you sleep better. Number 1, chicken. Did you know that chicken breasts have more tryptophan than turkey? Yeah, I'm shocked too. Chicken is an essential amino acid that your body needs to help create serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate, amongst other things, your mood and sleep. You can find high amounts of tryptophan in other animal proteins. Number 2, almond butter or other nut butter. If you find yourself waking up in the middle of the night, have some almond butter with some celery sticks or whole grain crackers before you go to bed. Because it's a healthy fat, it will help keep your blood sugar stable, and it will help you feel fuller longer, which will help you sleep through the night. Number 3, beans. Black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, garbanzo beans, you get the idea. Consume these at dinner because they're high in fiber, so they'll keep your blood sugar stable, and they'll help your sleep hormones operate more efficiently, and it'll help you have more restful sleep as a result. Number 4, Swiss chard, one of my personal favorites. It's high in calcium, which will then help your body generate melatonin, which is a naturally occurring hormone that helps regulate your body's sleep cycle. Number 5, broccoli. Broccoli is a good source of magnesium, which is a natural muscle relaxer. It can help prevent those foot and leg cramps that many people experience at night. Better sleep starts with what you eat. Include these 5 foods into your meal plan so you can take a big step forward in getting better quality sleep. You will love the way you feel.